Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the important questions along with answers of the class 10 poem Animals written by Walt Whitman. This also includes one question from the 2020 paper. Since there are a lot of questions, I have divided the entire lot into two divisions, and this is the first section. In this video, we are going to see the 1 mark questions that can come as an objective or as MCQ, and the 5 mark long questions. The 2 and 3 marker will be done in the next video. All the answers are given in points so that you can remember very easily, and all the full explanation also you can listen to. If you want to know the line by line explanation, I have given you the link for that, and you can go and just revise the entire poem. 1 mark questions. Always, whether it is a lesson or a poem, you must learn the title of the poem or the lesson and the author or the poet who has written this. This is because it is often asked in the exam and you can easily score 1 mark for writing just a word or two. So, name of the poem, Animals. Poet, Walt Whitman. Please pay attention to the spelling. Question number 3. I think I can turn and live with animals. What does turn mean? By turn, the poet means that he would prefer to turn and live with animals instead of living with human beings. He will turn away from human beings and turn to living with animals. 4. They are so placid and self-contained. What is the meaning of placid and self-contained? Placid means being calm. Self-contained means being very content or satisfied. Question number 5. Why does the poet want to turn to animals? Here the poet feels that animals, unlike humans, are placid and content. So the poet Walt Whitman wants to turn to animals. 6. Why do humans lie awake in the dark? In the dark means they keep thinking about something or the other in the night. Humans keep awake in the night and weep for their sins. That is, they are regretting their actions, whatever wrongs they have done. 7. What makes the poet sick? Humans make the poet sick when they keep discussing their duty to God with others. They keep on boasting about their duties and what they have done, and that makes the poet sick. 8. How do humans deal with their condition? Humans complain and whine about their condition when they are dissatisfied. Whine means to keep complaining and crying in a very high-pitched tone. What is a mania? What mania does man display? Mania is a madness or obsession. Obsession means continuously keep thinking about it and try to attain it. Man is obsessed about owning or possessing things. Explain, they bring me tokens of myself. Animals show the poet all good qualities or virtues which humans used to have many years ago. Tokens means good qualities. What does the poet feel about humans long ago? That means how were the human beings long ago? The poet Walt Whitman feels that long ago humans were virtuous. That means they were good in nature, but gradually they have lost these qualities because they were after material things. Now we move on to 5 mark questions. Explain how accepting the situation without whining and complaining is the key to happiness. Explain this in the context of the poem Animals. This was also a question which was asked in the previous years. In the poem Animals, the poet Walt Whitman observes the attitude of animals on one hand and that of human beings on the other. He is actually comparing both. He feels that animals are far better than men in dealing with situations. This is because they accept the situation gracefully without whining or complaining. Hence, the poet feels they are happier than men. Animals are content with their lot. They are satisfied with what they have. Humans keep complaining when they are not satisfied with the situation. That is why men are more unhappy than animals. Question number 2. This had come in last year's paper. Which qualities of the animals has the poet lost and wants to regain? Answer with reference to the poem Animals. According to the poet Walt Whitman, long ago, man was full of good qualities. Gradually, as he evolved, he lost these qualities. The poet wishes that instead of complaining about his situation or boasting about his deeds, man should accept life and his situations gracefully. He would be happier than he is. Animals also are not overcome by the mania to possess. Man is obsessed about material things. Animals live with dignity without kneeling to anyone. They are honest about themselves. The poet wants to regain these qualities that man once had but has lost them now. This, we have come to the end of this video. Remember, these are only half the number of questions. I have not done questions which are 2 marks and 3 marks. That is according to the latest syllabus. We will be doing it in the next video. Thanks for watching.